The strategic bomber is the most reliable and most flexible instrument in Russia's nuclear triad of ballistic missiles and intercontinental submarines. Here are 3 Russian strategic bomber arsenals. Tupolev Tu-95MS NATO code name Bear H is a 4-engine, long-range, turboprop, strategic bomber missile carrier developed by Russian aerospace and defense company JSC Tupolev Design Bureau. The carrier is currently in service with the Russian Air Force. Based on the airframe of Tu-142 Bear F maritime patrol aircraft, the Tu-95MS aircraft is a modernized version of the Tu-95 Bear strategic bomber. It is equipped with standoff cruise missiles and can be deployed in combat missions to defeat cruise missiles and strategic enemy targets. The aircraft are expected to remain in service with them until 2040. The Tu-95MS Bear H aircraft is armed with 2 Gryazev-Shipunov GSH-23 twin-barreled, 23mm automatic cannons at the rear for self-defense against airborne threats. Each cannon has a rate of fire of 2,400 rounds a minute. 6 2,500 km range Kh-15 air-launched cruise missiles are carried in the drum launcher. The Tu-95MS-6 variant can be equipped with 6 Rataga Kh-55 subsonic air-launched cruise missiles in a rotary launcher, whereas the Tu-95MS-16 variant can carry 16 Kh-55 missiles externally. The aircraft can be further modified to carry up to 8 Kh-101 air-launched cruise missiles or 14 Kh-65 anti-ship missiles. The Tupolev Tu-22M, also known as Backfire, is a long-range strategic and maritime strike bomber developed by Tupolev for the Soviet Air Force. The aircraft is currently in service with the Russian Air Force and Russian Naval Aviation. The Tu-22M was based on the design of the Tu-22 aircraft. The first Tu-22M0 prototype completed its maiden flight in August 1969. The Tu-22M1 first flew in July 1971 and the Tu-22M was first deployed in combat missions in Afghanistan between 1987 and 1989. The Tu-22M3 was used by Russia for combat operations in Chechnya in 1995. The aircraft is primarily used to conduct nuclear strike and conventional attack operations. It can also be deployed in anti-ship and maritime reconnaissance missions. The aircraft is provided with hard points to carry Kh-22 standoff missiles, Kh-15 nuclear or Kh-15P anti-radar missiles and Fab-250 or Fab-1500 free-fall bombs. The wing and fuselage pylons and internal weapons bay are provided with a capacity to carry 24,000 kilograms of weapons payload. The aircraft is also armed with a double-barreled GSH-23 gun in remotely controlled tail turret. Tu-160 was designated as White Swan due to its maneuverability and anti-flash white finish. The purpose of the aircraft is the delivery of nuclear and conventional weapons deep in continental theaters of operation. The aircraft has all-weather, day and night capability and can operate at all geographical latitudes. The performance of the Russian Tu-160 is often compared with the US B-1B. Tu-160 can carry nuclear and conventional weapons including long-range nuclear missiles. The missiles are accommodated on multi-station launchers in each of the 2 weapons bays. The aircraft is capable of carrying the strategic cruise missile Kh-55MS, which is known in the West by the NATO designation and codename as 15 Kent. Up to 12 Kh-55MS missiles can be carried, 6 in each bay. The Kh-55MS is propelled by a turbofan engine. The maximum range is 3,000 kilometers, and it is armed with a 200 knots nuclear warhead. Weapons bays are also fitted with launchers for the KH-15P, which has the NATO designation and codename as 16 Kickback. The KH-15P Kickback has solid rocket fuel propulsion, which gives a range up to 200 kilometers. The Kickback can be fitted with a conventional 250 kg warhead or a nuclear warhead. The aircraft is also capable of carrying a range of aerial bombs with a total weight up to 40 t.